We have more breaking updates coming in from Karnataka. The former Chief Minister Yediyurappa has moved the Karnataka High Court seeking the quashing of the POCSO case against him. A single judge bench will start hearing the case. A single judge bench of Justice Krishna S. Dikshit will hear the matter. Yesterday, remember, the CID that is investigating the case had filed a 750-page charge sheet against Yediyurappa in the case. Now, the special court against Yediyurappa, 3 others as well being booked in the case. The Karnataka CID had filed a 750-page charge sheet against the former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, accused of sexually assaulting a minor girl. Imran, trouble for B.S. Yediyurappa. The charge sheet in the case has been filed in the case. It's a very, very lengthy charge sheet, allegations of sexual assault. Now, Yediyurappa seeking some legal relief. What's expected in the High Court? We understand the hearing is going to begin soon.
Well, absolutely. There's a single bench judge of Justice Krishna Dikshit is hearing the matter, and this is the lawyers of the Yediyurappa have moved, said they are demanding quashing of the POCSO case. They're saying that the entire case is fabricated and cocked up against the Yediyurappa, and said that it's nothing but a political conspiracy. And they say that he's a former chief minister who is has a long political career, and he belongs to the National Party. And the charges against him are frivolous, as there are no direct evidence of it, is what the lawyers are claiming. And over this, the charge sheet has already been filed by the state government. The details of it, which very clear that because the video is there, and the victim, who's no longer alive, claims that her daughter was sexually abused by the former chief minister. Now, over this, Yediyurappa has moved to the court, demanding the quashing of the fire itself. We have to wait and see what the judges decide, but it's a single bench, and the hearing is going on underway.
Okay, all right.